Okay, so before ta mag-dive in itong kwan sana ka ng lectures about moment area theorem o katong conjugate beam method, I would just like to kwan sana ka ng insert isa ka kwan diri, which is centroid in areas of polynomial spandrels and of nth degree. Okay, say natingon ani na kwan klaseng area lugar ba? Ano siya? Wata ka balo ano niya na kwan. Kani siya na kuan curve na area that is itong silbi A ni siya ang yung kuan yung side niya napasaka yung ding kani siya na side then is B. Okay, now this is kuan din nth degree curve. Okay, nth degree polynomial curve takabalo sana siya na kuan. Okay, could be parabolic, which is n to the power of 2. Kung kuan ka, cubic siguro, n to the power of 3, quartic, n to the power of 4, fifth degree na polynomial, n to the power of 5, 6, 7, so forth, so on and so forth. Okay? Ang kuan ana sa iya din ang pag-solve na sa area niya, area would be equal to A times B divided by n plus 1. Okay? Now, for example, lugar, let's say we're dealing with linear na kwan, na curve. Okay? So, linear siya. Let's try applying this formula. Okay? Linear A, B. So, ang atong n then dani would be equal to 1. We already know that this is a triangle. Ba? Ang area sa triangle is 1 half base times height. If we were to follow this formula, we would have unsa A times B, n na to is equal to 1 plus 1. That would still be 1 half times B. Okay? Now, if you're wondering din sa siya pag-derive ni sa na equation, you can try kung sana look calculus, integral calculus. Diara man ang pang-solve na siya ha. N plus 1, this is very reminiscent of the power rule dito sa itong integral calculus. Okay? When we integrate, musaka ta sa kuha na itong degree by 1. So, essentially, this just came from integration. Okay? So much for sa itong area din. The next is sa niya issue sa how to solve for ang centroid na niya. Now, centroid ani siya somehow located lugar diri. So our centroid mutong ko na siya dayon kini. You don't know what that is ba? Siya ako si butang din x bar. Now kung x bar din dari, that should be equal to unsa? B n plus 2. Okay? Ano na siya? B equals n plus 2. Now, if you're concerned na, let's try the triangle na po na idea again, okay? A, B, our n is equal to 1. Bakit? Linear man siya na equation. Now, kung B ang atong student din yung atong kwan x bar, we already know that x bar ani sa kwan gani triangle, that's just B over 3, ba? 1/3 of sa isa ka side. Now, for this case diri, atong kwan din ni B is B, ba? Ang atong n diri 1 plus unsa 2. So, unsa man na siya? B over 3. Okay? So, mura na siya inyong angay bantayon nun when we're sana dealing with areas ningon ani. So, as for sa kwan din, derivation na siya, still reminiscent of calculus gyapon, okay? Areas, if you want kwan gyud, try searching for areas below curves o kwan dayon, centroids. Okay? Centroids of polynomials, of areas below polynomials, okay?